my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week and I'm back at Aldi. It's my kids' last week of school. They only have half days, so I don't even have to make lunches for school. Woohoo! Lunch lady is off duty, but that means they're going to be home more this summer. It's a very busy week and I'm so excited to get through the end and hopefully see a little more calm come to our schedule. But because they only have half days this week, I have less time to edit and get videos done, so I'm shopping Sunday night. It's actually kind of busy, so I hope it's easy to record in there. Nothing left to do but get in and get the goodies from Aldi. Let's go. First things, I'm getting some Oreos. I don't want double stuff. They're $2.75, but Mila is making cookies to take to teachers for her last day of school. Wednesday, we're gonna have a salad bar for dinner, and we're gonna have the sliced Italian bread with butter and cheese to go with it. $3.79. I'm doing a 3-day fast this week, and my husband is more in charge of dinners when I'm doing my fast. $1.39 for white bread. He is having grilled cheese, fruit, and chicken noodle soup. Mangoes are 69 cents. Those don't look, no, they don't even look ripe. Maybe that one's all right. I'm gonna see if there's more down the way. But I know for sure I wanna get a watermelon. Our watermelon last week was so good. $4.65. I just gotta find one. I'm thinking that one looks pretty good. For Kel's school, I am bringing dragon fruit and oranges for their end of the year class party. Those were his requests, so I'm gonna get oranges for $3.99. I of course need lettuce to have a salad bar for dinner, $3.39 for the 3-pack of things. And then I'm also gonna get spring mix, $4.89. I think my girls will be eating more salads during lunchtime. Yay, I knew there'd be better looking mangoes down here. Those ones look pretty picked over. That one looks good. This one looks pretty good. We'll get 2 of them at 69 cents a piece. Dozen eggs, $2.95. We are out, and obviously Mila needs them for her, and obviously Mila needs them to make cookies. Now that it's getting warmer, yogurt has been sounding really good. I used to buy this all the time. It's one of my favorite things here. I haven't bought it in a while, $2.55. I also need to get 2 butters, $3.75 a piece. Milo's going to use an entire pack on her cookies, and we're just running low. Avocados, we love. You guys know that, but I figure for toast for the girls, they haven't done that in a while. For salads, I will break my fast with an avocado. Just trying to find ones that I think will last us through the week. These look pretty good. $2.99. I love putting these on salads. 79 cents. 4 cans of green beans for the dog food, 76 cents a piece. We don't have any cherry tomatoes here. Hopefully I remember to get those at Meyer for our salads. Kind of crazy. Of course, need croutons for salad bar. We're gonna do Italian seasoning, $1.29. And then I also want to get the Kalamata olives, $2.19. My girls and I love this. I want to try a new dressing. I want to see like a vinaigrette of some sort. House vinaigrette seems like it would be yummy. What's this one? Raspberry vinaigrette would probably be good. Ooh, 3 cheese vinaigrette. I don't know if I've gotten that before. The aged balsamic actually sounds good too. I feel like I've gotten this. I want to try the aged balsamic, so we'll do this one, $3.29. Matt asked me to get the Diet Pop. He does like the Summit version. We buy that regularly, $4.69. I keep wishing my Aldi would get their version of Dr. Pepper. No luck. And then in a shock, Mila asked me to get cereal. She never asked for cereal. But the Reese's Puffs Aldi version, $2.39. Everything up here looks pretty much the same as last week, except for these strawberry iced donuts. Super cute. $3.89 for those. Keto-friendly bagels maybe are new. This makes me look forward to coming in here on Wednesday because holy empty shelves. And even over here, there's lots of boxes, but they're pretty picked over. So this banana cereal was a big hit with my husband. I knew he'd like it. I enjoyed it. He wouldn't have it with the banana milk, but that's how I had it. But he definitely wanted me to get more, so I'm gonna get more of this, $4.99. When I'm fasting, it's almost guaranteed that my family will have a pasta dinner. I don't dislike pasta, but I don't like it as much as them. I swear they'd eat like buttered noodles or red sauce noodles regularly. So I'm gonna make an Alfredo sauce and we'll have farfalle. And I'm gonna get more Parmesan to make sure we have it. $2.95 for this. We are running low on baking supplies. I need powdered sugar, $2.09. These are according to Mila for her cookies. Sugar for $3.29. And flour for $2.35. No red stickers to be found. We actually ended up moving butter chicken from last week to this week. We were invited to a family dinner last minute and we ended up having leftovers an extra night because we had so much chili. So butter chicken is already taking up 2 of my nights this week, which is nice and easy for me. That was my red sticker find last week. These pastas look pretty good. Tortellini, so it's aged cheeses, fresh mozzarella pearls, tossed in Mediterranean dressing, and sun-dried tomato pesto tortellini. Totally vegetarian, but my kids won't eat cheese-filled pasta. I don't even get it. We're in the Aldi Finds area. Let's see, they have crispy fried dill pickles for $6.49 and cheese curds for $4.99. Lots of pierogies, garlic knots, yeast rolls, grilling items. Now I've heard that these smash burgers are really good. They're 8-ounce patties for $7.99. I probably should add those to next week's meal plan. There's lots of the spiral curly fries, fried chicken, party pack patties. So 24 patties for $15.99. That'd be nice to have in the freezer for summer. Lots of different pizzas here. The potato puffs, again, were a hit. I could spell 2 of my 3 kids' names, and it worked out well because the one that I couldn't spell wasn't even home when we had that dinner. Lots of different gluten-free desserts here. Nothing new over here, though. We need Mexi shredded cheese, $2.79. I'm actually gonna get 2 bags now that the girls are home. They both love this and eat it on salads, on pasta, everything. And then sharp cheddar, $2.79. Some of us like shredded cheese on grilled cheese, and some of us like the slices. So I'm gonna get more slices for the grilled cheese as well, $1.49, and we have no problem getting through cheddar cheeses. I almost forgot this Parmesan for the Alfredo, $2.79. We don't have any of these left, but if it sounds good to you, try it because I really liked it. Will I start buying 2 of these now that the kids are home all day during the summer? Hopefully not. We'll still make them ice water in the morning, but I'm getting one, $3.99. Every week I lose a little more hope. I'm actually going to ask someone if I see them and have the opportunity, but I don't think they're coming back. Dang it. I'm going to get these to go with our salad night and also for the Alfredo. Air fry them. I've liked this in the past. $6.79. 97 cents. This is Mila's request for the salad bar frozen cheese. It's been a while for Matt, but we're getting some vanilla ice cream. It's $6.75. I'm just wondering if we have room in our freezer. Lots of beautiful hydrangeas over here. Very, very pretty plants. I don't see the hydrangea prices of $14.99. And then there's also these knockout roses, $12.99. Now this Aldi Finds is a little more stocked than the other side. Over here, the Aldi Finds food area, nothing new that I'm seeing. Spam with bacon remains strong. These still remain. So yummy though. Chocolate espresso beans. Mini sandwich crackers. Yum. Everything seasoning with cream cheese and blueberry with cream cheese. Wow. Two very different. Sweet or savory? Which is your pick? But nothing I need. So here is what I have. Any guess on my total? Okay, the total's $110.80. Now let's go to Meijer. We're at Meijer. Don't have much to get. And then we're home free. I had seen in the ad that blackberries and raspberries were 99 cents a container, but these raspberries are not looking very good to me. So I think I'll stick with blackberries. I'll get 2 of these. We still have some strawberries from last week, but 99 cents is a good price. I just am not buying that those raspberries would taste the best. And if we run out of strawberries that we bought last week, I'll come back here because they're 3 for $5 this week and they look delicious. Okay, so Kel wants Scooperman ice cream. We're getting this for him. Mila, that poor girl, wants Traverse Bay cherry ice cream. Oh my lord, they actually have it. Celebrate! She'll be so happy, and I think it's on sale for $3.99. Yay! I might have to come back and get it later this week when I'm not fasting, because that's also my favorite ice cream here. And right across from the ice cream is the Rhodes bread. I'm gonna make rolls out of the bread dough. $5.49. Mila's cookies put little Oreos on top, but I don't want to buy 10 packs of them, so I'm hoping I can find the cups here. Yay, just further down the aisle. $1.79. I'm not going to buy 4 for $5. How late in the summer do you think my husband will ask me to buy hot chocolate? I'm going to get a box, $1.99 with the mini mallows. We all enjoy pepperoncinis on our salads, and Aldi doesn't sell them anymore, so I have to get them at Meijer, $2.19. And actually, the pickled onions look good. All of these things look good to me, which is a little dangerous this early in a 3-day fast, but little peppers, pepper strips, okra. I totally forgot when I was looking in the bean area to look for beets from Aldi. They have the julienne ones here or the sliced. In my opinion, it's not worth paying significantly more for them to be sliced. I love beets though. $1.59 for our salad bar. Okay. Elsie asked me to get a bunch of this as we are heading into summer. $1.19. I'm probably gonna buy 9 of them. My kids love it. It's vegetarian. And as a tall person, I feel like it's my duty to bring the ones in the bag to the front. Okay. I was hoping to find the little baby tomatoes I wanted to get before here, but they don't have them. We're gonna get these grape tomatoes. They're $2.29 each. They have pretty ones, but they don't have the little itty bitty teeny weeny people I wanted. Okay, we are heading to the checkout. I'm proud of myself getting the grape tomatoes. Any guess on our total? Okay, my total is $35.31. Now let's go home and see the meal plan. Okay, so tonight, Monday, is grilled cheese with the chicken noodle soup. We also have a can of minestrone soup that Mila could have. I'm fasting tonight. Fasting tomorrow night as well. My family will have Alfredo, the chicken, probably in the air fryer, peas, and also the Italian bread. We also have red sauce for those that don't want Alfredo. Wednesday, we are going out to lunch with my husband after the kids' last day of school. So I know it won't be as big of a dinner as we'd normally have. So we're having a salad bar. I'm no longer fasting at this point. And then we'll have the chicken, the bread, butter, cheese. Thursday and Friday, we're having butter chicken. I bought everything for that last week. It just got bumped from last week's meal plan to this one because our plans changed. And then Saturday is me and my husband's anniversary. It'll be 17 years of marriage, and we're going out to dinner on a date night. So not really sure what the kids will do. We haven't quite figured that out yet, but he and I are not going to be eating at home. And then Sunday, I found a leftover lentil shepherd's pie that I made earlier this year in the freezer. So I'm gonna make Rhodes rolls with that, and we'll bake the shepherd's pie. So this is our meal plan for the week. And just a reminder, I am doing giveaways right now from the Sweets and Snack Expo. They close about a week after I post the video, and if you have missed that, you can check out this video right here for giveaway 1, which then will lead into giveaway 2. And make sure you get entered if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.